This video explains how to create a presentation with Capture Web. Capture Web enables full presentation capture from your browser without the need to download a desktop client. This includes both screen capture and mixed camera and screen presentations. Capture Web is available with the purchase of Creator Plus. In Media Library, click Create Recording. Click Change Inputs to change your camera input, your audio input, and to test your audio. Switch your camera on or off by clicking the camera toggle. Click Share Screen and select a tab in your browser, a window, or your entire screen to display during your recording. Then, click Share. Click Start Recording to begin your presentation. You can pause your recording by selecting Pause Recording and continue your presentation by selecting Resume Recording. Click Finish Recording to end your presentation. Add a title. Click Caption Settings and select Generate Captions to add subtitles to your videos. In the Language drop-down, select the language in which you recorded your presentation. Click Save and Close.